Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to become verified merchant on Binance P2P. And if this is your first time on my channel, consider to subscribe to my channel and turn up your notification bell. And before we get into this video, it's important to know what is Binance Merchant P2P and know how P2P merchants are making thousands of dollars on just being a merchant on Binance. So first thing you need to know is merchant on Binance buy low from people that want to sell on Binance, that want to use P2P, and sell and buy low and sell high, and sell high and buy low. This is what they are doing. These people right here are willing to buy from people over here. If you see come to sell order over here, you see some people that are selling again. They are selling low and buying low. There are some express over here. This auto match with the best ad rate. So Binance is going to randomly select a merchant for he or she to settle the trade. So that's how these merchants are making money on Binance. So since you have know how these merchants are making money on Binance, right now you just have to come to your profile over here, and you have to scroll down and come to this button over here. It says become a merchant. After searching this, it said Binance launched global P2P merchant program, and you just have to read all these details. Then you have to come over here and you have to apply over here. How to apply? Then you have to press this option over here, apply, and it will bring you to this page over here, and P2P merchant application. Become a Binance P2P merchant and enjoy more benefits. You see, advanced ads management. Merchant can access more than trading tools via the merchant portal to better manage advertisements and trading activities. So the second option is over here, verified batch. So you will be indicate on your profile that you have been verified by merchants, and over here you have to deposit a certain amount of money for you to be able to become a merchant. Right here, this is the currency you'll be able to trade with: US dollar, NGN, if it's based on your country. So these are the currency I'll be able to trade if I become a merchant on Binance. So this is the requirement you need for you to be able to apply for this right now. It said complete SMS and email authorization, complete advanced identity verification, and minimum amount of 1,000 BUSDT must be available in your funding wallet. So right now, if I press this, it says security deposit will be freezing upon submission of the merchant application. If your application is approved, the deposit amount will be displayed on your profile page. If your application is rejected, the deposit will be unfrozen. So right now, this is what you need to have in your account right now if you want to apply for this. And after you make these three requirements, then it will bring it over here, apply now. Then you will apply. You will wait for the decision from Binance. Maybe you are they have approved your application or not. So that's what you need to know about this P2P, Binance P2P merchants. And if you don't have Binance accounts, I'm going to leave a link in a video description for you to be able to create Binance accounts if you need to create account with Binance. And that's all you need to know about applying for Binance merchants. Mind you, if you're based in another part of the country and you have some different option for you to trade some other euro or pan P2P trade currency. So you have different options. You just have to follow the same process for you to be able to apply. So if you live in Europe, you have different options to trade euro and some other currency. But if you live in Africa, you have some other option for you to trade. So that's all you need to know to get started on how to apply for merchant on Binance. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up your notification bell, and let me know what you think about this video and any other video you want me to talk about on this channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.